Welcome! In this video, we'll explore the advanced duplicate feature in bulk actions for WPForms. This isn't just about copying fields. It gives you full control over how many duplicates you want and exactly what gets copied. First, make sure the plugin is installed and active. Then, from the left menu, click Forms, Ultimate Kit. Now, pick the form where you want to make edits. Simple, right? Next, open the Bulk Actions panel. Here, you'll see all the fields from that form. This is where the magic starts. Select the fields you want to duplicate. To pick multiple, use Control, Windows, or Command, Mac, plus click. Now click the Advanced Duplicate button. A pop-up will appear with several options. Let's go through them together. First, set the duplicate count to 5. This means we'll create 5 copies of the selected fields. Next, under Duplicate Settings, if you don't want to carry over certain details, simply deselect them. Then, set the duplicate placement. Let's place these at the top of the form. Now, click Duplicate and Edit. This will create the copies and immediately open them for editing. Make any changes you want in the Edit pop-up. And once you're satisfied, click Save. And that's how easy it is to use Advanced Duplicate in WPForms with the Bulk Actions plugin. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more WPForms tips. Thanks for watching!